Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Smart Search on Microsoft Word document. While you're writing the documentation using the Microsoft Word, you can use the Smart Search feature to make the documentation process more efficient. For example, if you find the definition for the particular word, then you can know about without leaving the word by using search feature. Also, you can use the many features of Smart Search in Word document. Let's learn how you can do this. In my Word document, I would like to find the definition for the powerful word. So I have to select the word and right click and click on the search. Then it will be automatically get the word. So search powerful. You have to click on that. It will be open the search window. Here you can check it out the result what we search the keyword. You have to select the type of the search. You can select the web. It will be shows only for the web result. Then you can select the media. It will be shows for the media images result. If you would like to add this result, you can just click to media. It will be automatically added into our Word document. So I would like to delete this. So you can also select the helpful. This will be find the entire Office 365 help. So then you can add the notes, file and many more options they are provided. You can use this feature to find the best definition for your keyword. If you select the file, it will be find from your cloud file storage and give the result. So if you search for this file, you have to click on this file and click on the powerful. This is only one keyword is available, so it's not giving the result. So in this way, you can use the Smart Search on your Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.